Assalamualaikum and hi to all Year 3 students. Today we are going to learn the last bit of reuse. Before that, let's do a little bit of drilling. As you all learned, there are two ways of reducing rubbish. The first one is by reusing old stuff, and the second one is by recycling. So far, we already learned on how to reuse jar, plastic bottles, old clothes, old toys, and old books. Now, we are going to learn on how to reuse a food scrap. What is a food scrap? A food scrap is a bit or pieces of leftover food that you are unable to finish. So from the picture, you can see a fish bone, banana skin, orange skin, apple, eggshell, and so on. So all of these are food scrap. What can we do with food scrap? Food scrap, we can put it into a compost bin and it will turn into compost. Here's a picture showing for each process. So on the left, you can see a food scrap, and in the middle, it's a picture of a compost bin, and on the right, it's a picture of compost. This is a picture showing what it looks like inside a compost bin. As you can see from the picture, food scrap covers the top part of a compost bin, and compost covers the bottom part of a compost bin. It shows that the food scrap will turn into a compost bin over time. You might wonder how long food scrap will turn into compost. The answer is it usually takes around 3 to 4 months for food scraps to turn into compost. The next question is, what is the usage of compost? Apa kamu boleh pakai with compost? Compost, you can use it to help grow plant because it acts as fertilizer. Fertilizer is baja in bahasa Melayu. By the end of the lesson, you should know what is food scrap, compost bin, and compost. You also need to know how long the food scrap will turn into compost. And lastly, you need to know what can we use with compost or the benefit of compost. Now try to do the exercise that I have given you. Thank you for listening. Bye.